Hello guys, welcome in Learning Zone. Today we have taken sulfur and a piece of sodium. Reaction of sodium with sulfur. Highly exothermic reaction it is. Just enjoy it. And to initiate reaction, I will put a few drop of water on it, 2 or 3. Now the reaction will start on its own. You can see highly exothermic reaction here. A few drop more. Now the next is we have taken potassium permanganate and added some glycerin on it. A little bit of more glycerin, and now the reaction will begin. A little more potassium permanganate. Now reaction has started now. It is also very exothermic. It has caught fire now. Now we have taken little bit of milk and added some potassium permanganate crystal in it. It seems to be that there is nothing, but just you watch it carefully. There's no reaction. Okay. Now you can see reaction has started. The milk has started boiling itself. You can see the color of the milk. Gases coming out. Heat is coming out a lot. And the milk has solidified. It is also highly exothermic reaction. Bowl has become too hot to touch and milk is getting solid. Oh, it is too hot. Okay, now you can say it is completely solid. Okay, let's begin. Next one. I've taken little sulfur, pure sulfur I have taken, and add magnesium wire on it, burning magnesium wire. And now you have started magnesium wire and sulfur both are burning, and you can see different colors, different flames here, red, yellow, and white. Now we have taken ice and I have put some potassium permanganate on it, and now a few drop of glycerine over it. Now the reaction has started and the smoke is coming out, but as ice is too cold, so it hasn't caught the fire, but it is about to catch fire. Now we will just burn the ice. few drop of hand sanitizer and just light it, and now you can see fire on the eyes. You can see the flame and it's burning the paper. Now we have taken a piece of sodium and kept it over on the eyes. You can see the highly exothermic reaction. It has caught fire. What a beautiful fire on the eyes. And never try to do this at home. It can be very risky, very dangerous. Now we have taken a conical flask and some hydrogen peroxide in it and adding potassium permanganate. Now you can see a very violent reaction. Oxygen is coming out. It is the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Now oxygen is coming out. Just add little bit of potassium permanganate on it, and now you can see the speed of oxygen coming out. You can feel the oxygen here, this way. Now I have taken a piece of sodium and put in a beaker full of water. You can see the movement and you can see the reaction as moving in the beaker over the water like this. Highly reactive with water. Now you can see the movement. It can burst any moment. Sodium floating because hydrogen gas is coming out. It is pushing it, and as a floating, it can burst any moment. Yeah. Just we have taken some NaOH in water in a bowl, NaOH solution in a bowl, and added a cane. Now you can see how the cane is moving. You can see here. It will melt into it. Heat is coming out. Hydrogen gas is coming out. It will dissolve on it after a few minutes. You can see here the bubbles coming out is of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is coming out. Now you can see what happened to cane. The aluminum can is going to be dissolved, and now it has turned into pieces. Of what happened to it, you can see. In just a few minutes, the cane will dissolve. You can see here what has happened to it. Now we have taken some water in a beaker and added some calcium oxide, CaO. And now it will start reacting, highly exothermic reaction of calcium oxide with water. The beaker has become very hot and the liquid has started boiling. All these reactions and the experiments never try to do yourself. You can do in the presence of an experienced person or your teacher.